Welcome, dear children. My name is Jyoti Kokate. Today, we will learn subject mathematics from standard 3rd. Topic for the day is measurement. Learning objectives of measurement. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to measure the length, weight, and capacity of the objects by using different units of measurement. Children, what is measurement? Measurement is finding a number that shows the size or amount of something. We can measure the length, weight, and capacity. Now we will see measuring length. In early times, people used the parts of body for measuring length like handspan. What is mean by handspan, children? Span is the distance from the tip of the little finger to the tip of the thumb of an outstretched hand. Foot was also used for measuring length in early times. Foot is the length of our foot. Children, cubit was also used for measuring length. Cubit means the distance from the tip of the middle finger of an outstretched hand to the front of the elbow. Children, standard measurements are very useful and essential in our daily life. Length is the distance of an object. The standard measurement of length is meter. If the units were based on the size of a body part, it would be different when measured by different people. That's why all over the world, the metric system is being accepted for measurement. Children, we use a scale or a tape for measuring length. Here are the pictures of a scale and a tape. They indicate the length of objects more than 1 meter in meters and those of less than 1 meter in centimeters. This is a scale. The meter is a standard unit which is used for measuring length. If we divide a meter into 100 equal parts, each part is called a centimeter. We use the standard unit meter to measure bigger distances. Now look at the picture. It's a highway road. So long distances are measured in kilometers. You can see here a long metal scale is used to measure cloth in a cloth shop. Here is a table of measurement of length. We denote meter by m. 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. Now learn more about measuring weight. We measure the weight of solids in grams and kilograms. The standard unit to measure weights is a gram. Fruits, vegetables and grocery items are also measured in grams and kilograms. These are the normal weights that a greengrocer and grocer have. We use a weighing balance to measure the weight of objects and it bends towards heavier side. Some people used spring balance also. Here you can see a table of measurement of weight. 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. The short form of gram is small g. The short form of kilogram is small kg. 100 kilogram is equal to 1 quintal. Let us learn about capacity. The unit of measuring liquids is liter. Liquids are measured in liters and milliliters. The short form of liter is small l. The short form of milliliter is small ml. The amount of liquid that is needed to fill any container, such as a pot, a bucket, a drum, is called the capacity of the container. The liter is a standard unit for measurement. Here are the pictures of different measures. The standard measuring jars used 2 liters, 1 liter, 500 milliliter, 100 milliliter, 250 milliliter, 50 milliliter. Measuring jars come in different capacities. For example, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Half a liter is equal to 500 milliliter. Quarter liter is equal to 250 milliliter. 3 by 4 liter is equal to 750 milliliter. Children, you can see that liquid take the shape of different container. So, children, today we have learned the units of measurement. Children, now you have to do this exercise. Question 1. Find out the length of the following. Children, all these things you will get in your house only. First one, a towel. You have to measure the length of the towel which we used in our house. Second, handkerchief. You have to measure the length of handkerchief. Third one, a sari. Children, your mama is wearing sari. So, you have to measure the length of the sari. Fourth one, a dupatta. A dupatta means odni. So, you have to take the length of dupatta also and note down the length of all these things in your notebook. Children, now look at this question. Take a bottle with a quarter liter capacity. Quarter liter means 250 milliliter. Using this as a measure, mark the following measures on a container. First one, 2 liters. Second, half a liter. Half a liter means 500 milliliter. Third one, 1.5 liter. 1 means 1000 milliliter plus half a meter means 500 milliliter. Fourth one, a quarter liter. A quarter liter means 250 milliliter. Children, in this question, you have to make a guess about the weight of the given things. Is it greater than or less than 1 kilogram? Then go to the shop and check if you guessed right. Children, today's homework is find out your own weight. Also find out by how much it is more or less than the weight of one of your classmates. Thank you, my dear children.